But how much does it really cost to run a fiber laser? So let's do a quick comparison, CNC plasma versus 3 kilowatt fiber laser. In an 8-hour shift with a lot of pierces, you're looking at about 4 sheets a day. Same product, 3 kilowatt laser, you're now cutting 10 sheets per day. Biggest difference between CNC plasma and fiber laser cutting, and it's your labor. For every hour of cutting on your plasma table, you're gonna have an hour of cleanup. For every 4 hours of cutting on your laser, you're gonna have 1 hour of cleanup. That is a huge difference. With a lot of pierces, you're gonna go through a lot of consumables. At current hypertherm prices, you're looking at $75.88 per day in consumables. With the fiber laser, however, you're only gonna be spending $1.20 a day in consumables because all you're really replacing on a regular basis is the lower protective lens, which costs about $6 a piece and should last you about a week. Now, power consumption. Everybody thinks lasers are these power-hungry beasts. CNC plasma, you're gonna be spending $8.32 a day to keep that thing running for 8 hours. 3 kilowatt fiber laser, $23.68 a day in power. What can you charge for each? A 65 amp CNC plasma table can earn about $100 an hour, and a 3 kilowatt fiber laser can earn about $220 an hour. In an 8-hour day, you can charge $800. You've got $320 in labor between cutting and cleaning up. You have $75.88 in consumables and $8.32 in power consumption. That leaves you with $395 in gross profit per day. Now with the fiber laser, whoop, you're looking at $1,760 that you can bill each 8-hour shift, with $200 in labor for cleanup and running the table, $1.20 per day in consumables, and $23.68 in electricity, leaving you a gross profit of $1,535. That is the difference between CNC plasma and fiber lasers.